Hey there, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Lori, and on this channel we cover all things digital planning, art, creativity, and productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure you stick around. Today I'm giving you a first look at my brand new Magic Icons sticker sets for GoodNotes. The great thing about these is they are completely color editable, so they can match any aesthetic in your digital planner without having to buy a whole new set of stickers every time. Let's hop over to my desk and take a look at how they work. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use and modify these Magic Icons and collections that we have in our shop. So the first thing that you're going to need to know is that most of these are built using fonts, dingbat fonts, which are fonts that are basically built out of graphics rather than letters. If you haven't already, you need to make sure that you install the fonts that came with your purchase. Otherwise, these stickers will just look like a bunch of random letters because they're actually built from these dingbat or graphic-based fonts. So go ahead and watch that video first and then come back to this one and continue. So once you've got all your fonts installed, then you will either install the GoodNotes sticker book that you got, or the easier way now with the new Elements tab and option that GoodNotes has is to just simply install the collection, and then you will get all of your pre-cropped stickers loaded into an Elements collection within GoodNotes, and then you can just drag them in wherever you need them, and you don't have to have them as a separate sticker book. It's a much smaller file. I think that's an awesome way to go, but it's totally up to you, your choice, whichever way you want to go. So as you can see here, when we build our Magic sticker collections, we actually map out ahead of time on the fonts that we're going to use what they look like. So it's really easy for us to tell what graphics we want to use and what letters they map to in that font. The great thing about having these Magic Icons set up like this is since you're actually getting the fonts with your purchase, you can create your own as well. You can actually map this out yourself, and if you see an icon that we didn't create, you can actually go and find that one and create that sticker yourself and add it to the collection. So for example, this is the Summer Icons font, and we've basically just put them in a separate GoodNotes file and mapped out with one of the built-in fonts, I think this is American Typewriter, on GoodNotes, what the upper and lowercase letters and the first set of numbers are, and then we can just kind of see if we go through here what each of those letters maps to. So this row corresponds with all of these icons. Here's the A's, here's the B's, here's the C's. Capital A goes with this icon. Capital C goes with this palm tree. So this is just a really nice way to go back and see if there's something that you like on here that we didn't create. You actually have the ability to create that sticker yourself as well. So that's pretty cool. So here are the stickers that we created from that icon set. We thought these were really fun ones to use in a summer spread on your digital planner. And now we're going to show you the really easy way to get these recolored. You're just going to use the lasso tool up here and grab any or all of the stickers that you would like and select color and choose any color that you like. And instantly they can match any aesthetic in your planner. It's just as simple as that. If you want to get ambitious and make additional stickers yourself, you can just circle the ones that you've made with your lasso tool. And you can either add it to a collection you already have or start a new one. Type the title of your collection and click Create. Then you can add additional elements as you'd like. Just be conscious as you're doing this that you don't accidentally grab more than one. You'll be able to tell here at the top if you've grabbed multiples, as you'll see a preview before you add it to your collection. In that case, just hit cancel, go back and update your selection. If you accidentally added your duplicate, you can go back in and update your collection. Simply tap and hold on your collection, and then you'll be able to choose Edit and delete any errors that you made. Now you can redo your selection and add the correct sticker. Having your stickers in these element collections makes it so easy to use. You can drag them in from the top or use an overlay or split screen view. And you can still recolor them. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please give me a like, a thumbs up down below, and I'd love to see what you create. So go ahead and tag me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.